3 iPhone settings you need to turn off right now. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on general here and then tap on the background app refresh option. Now, tap on background app refresh again and then go ahead and select the off option. This will save your battery and stop apps from running secretly and reduces your data usage. Now, go back to Settings homepage and tap on the Privacy and Security option you see there and then tap on Location Services option. Here, go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for location services and now tap on the Location Alerts option you see there and then go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for Show Map and Location Alerts. Once done, go back to Privacy and Security page again and scroll down and you will see the option for Apple advertising. Tap on that and then go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for personalized ads off, as this will reduce stronger privacy and stop Apple from using your behavior to shape ads, and it will give you cleaner and less intrusive fields. So, these were a few iPhone settings that you might need to turn off right now. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.